Today we're making this Ciao Bella heat transfer pillow. I'm using the January 2023 bundle from Ink Club today. This is inspired from my fabric line Ciao Bella for Riley Blake Designs. Start by cutting out all the heat transfer vinyl on your Cricut or Silhouette machine. I weed all of the vinyl, which does take a little bit of time because there are a lot of pieces. I highly recommend cutting away more plastic than I did because it would have made pressing easier later in the process. Then you're going to lay everything down so that it fits together. This is a fun puzzle to make all the flowers lay out correctly. Now, here is the delicate part. You're going to start from the outside and work your way in. You want to get the bottommost layer and press, then let cool. I did a few at a time, so some of it cooled while I pressed other pieces. Pull away the clear pieces and then layer on the next layer to press into place. Take your time with this because it will take some time to get everything pressed and cooled. I finished with the big flower pieces in the center and voila! The beautiful Ciao Bella pillow. I hope you're making something beautiful with these Cricut and Silhouette files. Be sure to share by tagging me at Karina Gardner Ink Club on Instagram.